These feelings, these feelings, these feelings. How you feel, man?
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Delisa, and as y'all can tell by the title, I will be doing a video decorate my car. Like, I really don't do too much to my car. I was gonna do my work car, but I was like, it's just a work car, and it's like not clean because my husband, he's a welder. So in my other car, it's like the interior is so light, and like everything he touched is like, it just turns black, and I can wipe it down and it gets right back dirty. So that's just a work car. So I decided to do my other car, well, our other car, and as y'all can see, the interior is black. But I will be decorating this car. It's not clean. I did not vacuum. I'll vacuum it later, but I just want to decorate it. And I'm going to take these old stuff down because shit don't even smell. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. First thing, I purchased these little cute hair bows, these little scrunchies from Dollar Tree, and they like look like little flower petals, and I thought it was so cute. And they come in a pack of 4. So let me see. I think I want to. I'm trying to think of the pattern, how I want it to go. Ooh, how about that? I think that's cute. Or should I do the pink and the little mint green? I think I should do it like that. Y'all can't see, but I will show y'all after. So I'm gonna put these on my gear stick. And my gear stick in this car is not that big, so I'm gonna make it do what it do. I got a pack of ketchup. I don't know why. A bitch be getting hungry sometimes. Why not? You never know. You might need some ketchup. And then I also got, my head is itching, y'all. I got this diffuser. I actually ordered this off eBay. I love this thing. Like, it keeps your car smelling so good. So I'm going to put it in my outlet right here. And I have a little bag. Just keep supplies in, you know, your girly supplies. Whatever you need. This is your mercy kit. It's your backup shit, okay? And so I'm gonna throw that in here. What else? I got a bottle. I got this from, where did I get this from? Walmart. I'm gonna keep this in this car. I'm gonna put this in the cup. I do want to get the cup holder, the cupcake, little cup. Well, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about them things that go in there, so like when something spills, it would catch it. I plan on ordering those. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do what it do. I have my inhaler because I gotta breathe. So that's gonna go in there. Deodorant. You always gotta have backup deodorant. And I got this from Wish. It's just a stand, you know, that for my phone to mount up on. I ain't pay that much, so it ain't the best. And what is these things called, y'all? I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put it at the bottom because I probably gonna mess up the name, but I attempted to make one once I get it right. But I made this myself. It's not positioned right, but because I had it laying down. But y'all get the drift. Like, it's gonna be hanging right here. So I'm gonna hang that up. Let me get my lips. It's probably gonna be dry. I can't see. Sorry, probably all in your way right now. Put it back there. And what else I have? You have to have hand sanitizer. Like, I have it in all my cars, in my pocketbook. I have hand sanitizer everywhere because, matter of fact, I'm going to put some right now. You have to have your hand sanitizer. And this is the cucumber melon scented kind. So I'm going to put that right here beside my gear stick. I have Dipsy go everywhere I go. Okay, tasing bitches all 2019. I'm just saying, but Dipsy go everywhere I go. So I put Dipsy right there beside my hand sanitizer in my little thing. I did order this off of eBay. It goes on the back of my seat, and like for like I do have kids, so I can put like drinks in it, keep them cool. And, you know, they can put like other little stuff here at the bottom, and you can detach it. I can put little paper towel, you know, napkins in there, because like we've been sneezing a lot, so allergies are real bad right now. Yeah, so that was cute. I'm gonna put it on the back of my seat, but not right now. It just attached to the back. So that's, oh, and I got these like glass wipes, because sometimes like I don't know, shit just be like just going like somebody was going by. Stuff used to be on my windows, and I need something to wipe it down real quick. So I got these from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put those inside here as well. So let me show y'all the little things I did. So guys, this is my little thing I made. It's a macrame.
I messed up macrame
I seen it on
plant
YouTube,
holder.
and I was like, I'm gonna make it. And here go my little pedals. I got to talk real fast because my camera's going dead. My hand sanitizer, my taser. Here is the air freshener, but you can cut it on just like this. Just mash it. Oh my gosh, freshness. My bottle. That's just my plug. And, you know, the bag, the supply bag, my deodorant, the wipes, organized. This is my my charger. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Comment down below any more videos y'all like to see.